Hi everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to talk about um, problem of odd natural number triangle. Okay, pattern of odd natural number. Okay, so for doing this problem, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. There, I will write a problem statement and I will write a problem what we need to do in the code. Okay, and after that, I will write code. Okay, and then I will write comment and I will execute it also. Okay, so for doing this all I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Then if you have, then you open it, otherwise you will open online Java compiler and write the code there, and so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in better way in one go only. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to open it. Here I need to write odd natural number triangle pattern dot java, and then I am going to write here psvm. Okay, that is public static void main, and then here I need to write import java dot util dot scanner, because you have to take user input. Okay, so that I need to import a scanner class, and here I am going to make object for the scanner class is new scanner system dot in and then here I am going to explain the problem. Input row is, I think I'm entering 4. Okay, so output will be, what? Output will be 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 and 17. So like this, our going code is going to print. Okay, so now I need to enter here what? Enter number, enter number, enter number, not number, enter number of rows in the triangle. Okay, and then I need to store the number of rows in the variable n, and then sc dot next int, and then I need to write here shout. This is what? This is number of rows it is, and then this is what I need to enter here. Below is the odd number triangle, odd number, odd number natural triangle pattern pattern only. Okay, here it should be small. Okay, and then I need to write here int a is equals to 1, and then I need to run a outer loop. I need to write here int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus, and then I need to write here for int j is equals to 1 and j less than equal to I, and j plus plus, and then here I need to print what this space plus a, and after that here should be plus. Okay, and then I need to move, I need to increment this a with 2. Okay, so that we can get the next odd number. Okay, I have already initialized a by 1. After incrementing it by 2, it will be 3, and then it will become 5, and likewise it will increase. Okay, so we have to increment a by 2 to make the odd number. Okay, and then I'm going to write here a line so that cursor can move in the next row. Okay, and then I need to write here sc dot close, so that so that memory leak can be avoided. Okay, and now I'm going to write comment. This is what, this is the scanner class to take user input, and this is what, this is the file name where our code is going to save. Okay, and this is the main method, main method which is main method which is main method. After this our code is going to execute. Okay, and this is what, this is object definition of scanner class to take user input, and then a printing message for user to enter number of rows. Okay, and this is what, this is the n, means this is the storing number of rows, number of in the row, in the variable n, and this is responsible for what, this is printing message for user to see the result text. Okay, and this is the uh, initializing a variable by 1 for printing odd number in the triangle shape. Okay, and this is outer loop control number of rows, and this is inner loop to control number of number of column, inner loop to control number of column. Okay, and this is what, this is this is printing number with one space in each one. Okay, and after that, and after that, and after that, we are incrementing a variable by 2 to make next odd number. Okay, and we are continuing it, we are continuing it till r till n row. Okay, and then we are printing, we not, we are continuing, and then we are continuing, we are continuing it till I. Okay, and then we are printing printing a or line ln line, so that cursor can move in next row after printing number in current row. Okay, and then we are doing here closing of scanner class to avoid memory leak. Okay, now I think it's done. Now I'm going to execute it. You can see. I'm going to enter 5. You can see this is the result: 1 3 5 7 9 13 4 15 17 19 21 23 25. This all are odd number. Okay, so in another video we will meet. Okay, till then you have to do coding, you do dry run, and you do practice and do revise. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and bye.